Good evening, folks. It's 22:16, 45 minutes till the markets close. I'm just going to go through the thrust analysis now. I added the pound yen and the euro yen. I think it was just today I added them, just to give us more options on the 4 hour stuff here. So we'll start off with these pound pairs. Currently we have a setup pending here. We're most likely going to close above this 1.4958 level. So I'll place buy orders at this level here, to be triggered possibly overnight. I would really need to use, the actual rule would be to use the bottom of this candle, but I'm going to actually use the bottom of this candle here. It's still only like 30 pips away, maybe 40 pips, just to give it a bit more room, because this is just a bit too tight really. Pound yen, we've been triggered. We had this bearish thrust level here this morning. It was tested and then removed and then retested when I entered, and we're getting closer to the first target level here. I could only go in with 0.2. The risk was quite high. We might find that quite a lot of times with likes of pound yen. It's a high tick value, and the stop loss will usually be fairly high, as in this case it is 73 pips, there or thereabouts. Onto the euro pairs. Again, we had a pending buy order here, but that wasn't triggered, and then we've removed another level here, which was tested then removed. So I have pending buy orders sitting here, waiting to be triggered. And again, instead of using the low of this candle, I've actually used the previous sort of resistance level turn support just below there. Again, it gives us a nice small stop still, about maybe 25 pips. So you can see the orders down at the bottom here. So that's a total of 0.75. So we'll keep you posted on them. So it's just the pound yen we're involved in, and we're getting closer to that first target. So we'll look at these charts. Looks like the Aussie CAD's failed this level again. So this is obviously looking quite important, so I'll keep a close eye on that level now. Aussie dollar chief is failing a wee bit towards the top here, so we'll look at that level there. Aussie dollar yen is going higher. I can actually stick a line here for tomorrow if we remove that to the close. Aussie dollar New Zealand, looks like we might actually remove this level to the close here, so looks like we could have a pending order going on here. Stop loss is going to be about 100 pips, but it's a low tick value, so I'll take a look at that at the close. CAD Japanese yen, again, here we go. Here's a good setup here. Again, so we'll put some orders on there. Quite a low stop loss, 40 odd pips. You can see a lot of these yen pairs are giving signals. We see it on the 4 hour on the stuff that I'm doing on the 4 hour. Here's another signal on the chief. We're already long here, so I'll place orders to go long again here at the close. Euro Australian's nothing. Euro CAD, it's nothing. We've tested this level though, so that's a good sign. Might get a set up the following day. Euro Aussie's jumping back up there again, but nothing worth trading. And pound Aussie is trying its best, we'll say. Pound Canadian dollar again, it's not doing too much. New Zealand CAD's backing off a bit. New Zealand yen has been fairly high today, but it's come all the way back down, so nothing really doing there. And we can see as well the New Zealand dollar has topped out a little bit, we could say there. So a few pending orders coming up there. I didn't actually mention this today. This Euro Yen actually gave off a really good signal today, but I left it because the risk was too high. whereas I probably could have gone in with even 0.2 like I've done on the yen here. Removed to the close, 22.76. We made the low 22.76, so that would have been a nice trade there. Target level up here, where you can see the market has failed so far. So yeah, that's basically it. Oh yeah, actually we took some profits today as well. These two positions here on the Chief Yen. So yeah, that's it. Any questions, anything, just fire away on the forum or on Skype. I'll should be available most of the time. Okay, cheers, good night.